There are several ways to set up an IVUS imaging experiment in the Living Image software. The first is a manual single image setup in the control panel. The second is a manual sequence setup in the control panel. And the third method is using the Imaging Wizard. A manual setup is excellent for simple 2D bioluminescence imaging, like for single image capture, or for generating a kinetic curve. For all other imaging experiments, including fluorescence, spectral unmixing, or tomography, we recommend setting up the experiment with the Imaging Wizard. The Imaging Wizard walks you step by step through the experiment. It first asks if you're doing bioluminescence or fluorescence imaging. Then it will ask if you're doing 2D imaging, 3D imaging, or a spectral unmixing experiment. In the software, 3D bioluminescence is referred to as D-light and 3D fluorescence is referred to as FLIGHT. The next page asks you to specify which optical reporter you're using. This is particularly important for fluorescence because the specific excitation and emission bandpass filters that the instrument applies will depend on your reporter's peak absorption and emission wavelengths. In this window, you will see the list of available filters on your instrument, and the software will highlight the appropriate ones to use for your given reporter. There is a list of approximately 100 commercially available fluorophores pre-programmed into the software. If you don't see your reporter there, you can manually type in the max excitation and emission wavelengths. The last page asks you to choose your imaging subject, well plate, mouse, or other, manual or auto acquisition settings, and field of view. After you click Next, the Imaging Wizard window will close, the control panel expands to show the sequence setup, and it will display the image or images to be taken. Click Acquire to capture the image.